Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all you craft enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of sticker making with the Xyron Create a Sticker machine. This little device is making waves in the DIY and small business communities. And we're here to tell you why it's the best sticker maker on the market. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at this amazing machine. The Xyron Create a Sticker is designed for ease of use and convenience. With its compact size and portable design, it fits perfectly in any home, office, or classroom. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with features that will make your sticker making experience a breeze. Here are some of the key features that set the Xyron Create a Sticker apart from the rest. This sticker maker doesn't require any warm-up, cool down, or drying time. It's always ready for fast, clean fun. You can use it to create custom stickers and labels for small businesses, DIY crafts, school projects, scrapbooking, and more. It works with a wide variety of materials, including photos, ribbon, craft foam, fabric, and paper. Say goodbye to messy adhesives. The Xyron Create a Sticker provides an odor-free alternative. It applies an acid-free, non-toxic adhesive that's safe for photos and projects. It comes pre-loaded with a 5 by 10 feet permanent adhesive cartridge, and you can easily swap cartridges or refill it in seconds. No need to worry about running out of adhesive. Unlike some other machines, the Xyron Create a Sticker is non-electric, so you don't have to deal with cords or batteries. Now, let's see this machine in action. It's incredibly simple to use. Just feed your item into the machine, turn the knob, and tear. Voila! Your custom sticker is ready to use. You might be wondering about the price. Well, the Xyron Create a Sticker is currently available for $25.99 for the machine itself, with refill options starting at $17.90. It's worth every penny for the convenience it offers. This sticker maker is compatible with various materials, making it suitable for all your crafting needs. Whether you're working with photos, cardstock, ribbon, fabric, acetate, or even wood veneer, this machine has you covered. The Xyron Create a Sticker offers a range of refill options, including permanent and repositionable adhesives, so you can choose what suits your projects best. In conclusion, if you're into crafting, scrapbooking, or running a small business, the Xyron Create a Sticker is a game-changer. It's the best sticker maker out there, offering quick, mess-free, and versatile sticker and label creation. Plus, it's so easy to use that even kids can join in on the fun. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your crafting game with the Xyron Create a Sticker. You can find it on Amazon, and if you act fast, you can have it delivered right to your doorstep. Don't miss out on this fantastic tool that will take your DIY projects to the next level. That's a wrap for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more fantastic products, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!